Hello! In today's video we're going to make colored rice, which is a great sensory toy. For this you will need a plastic bag to put your contents in, 1 Kool-Aid mix, I went with pink today, rice, a measuring cup, some vinegar, and a measuring spoon. We're going to start by opening the baggie with 2 hands. Set that aside. Now we need to open our rice. Untwist the twisty. And then pull apart the top. We're going to take our measuring cup. We need 1 cup of rice. I'm using a half cup, so we'll make that 2 half cups of rice. One, 2. Make sure to close the rice up so it doesn't get stale. We have 1 cup of rice in our bag. Now we need to open our Kool-Aid mix. Grab one end with your hand and then pull with the other. The Kool-Aid mix is pink in this one. Normally it comes out white. Pour your Kool-Aid mix into your bag of rice. Next we need our vinegar. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. I placed our half cup to hold any vinegar that falls out of our teaspoon. And begin to pour the vinegar. Pour that vinegar right into your bag of rice and Kool-Aid mix. Cap your vinegar so nothing spills. Pinch the top of the Ziploc bag so everything is closed. Now it's time to mix. Move the rice, Kool-Aid mix, and vinegar all over that bag. It's looking pretty mixed. What do you think? I grabbed a piece of aluminum foil to put our rice on to dry. Use 2 hands to open your bag of rice, and then you can pour it all over the aluminum foil. I used my fingers to spread the rice out to make it easier to dry. The rice does stick to your fingers right now. This Kool-Aid mix dyed my fingers red. After washing your hands with soap and water, the mix will come off though, don't worry. I let my rice sit so that it could dry, and now we can play with it. First, you have to scrape the rice off of the aluminum foil. You can grab the rice with both hands. You can run the rice between your fingers. The rice does still stick a little bit, but it comes off much easier than earlier. If the rice sat out a little bit longer, it wouldn't be sticky. You can make the rice rain. This rice was so much fun to play with. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.